Hello, hello. Yes, found another song that I can play along to and learn easy chords, as long as it's easy chords, and I can just kind of try and sing along to as well. But it's a song by Prince Tuiteka called Mum. If you don't know it, I'll put the link in the description. It's another beautiful song with some beautiful lyrics dedicated to the mothers out there, right? I hope you enjoyed. I'm playing it in the key of D. Oh, Mom, I love you. Yes, I do. Please wait for me, Mom. I'll be home very soon. I never knew just how much you meant to me. Till now, you're so many miles away across the sea. Only God knows where or when we'll meet again. To hold you in my arms once more. To hear your voice and to see your smile. God